Seary Physiotherapy Clinic is a clinic that I developed over the last 20 years. I'm now based in the middle of Whitchurch Village, where we provide a variety of assessments and treatments for physiotherapy, sports massage and podiatry. We've got clients that are still coming to me 25 years later after they started coming to us. Most of our referrals are indeed actually recommendations. So patients come for a variety of treatments. Sometimes you don't see them for 10 years and then they come back because they remember coming to us and actually confident in what we do. Sally Peake is now retired pole vaulter. She's competed for Wales and in the UK on a number of occasions throughout the world, and she is a Commonwealth Games silver medalist. And so Sally is one of our, I think it's 23 or 24 staff that work here now. We're based in Whitchurch, which is North Cardiff. Very accessible. There's local trains and buses, and we've got a car park around the corner, which is free for 2 hours. So it's really very convenient for most of our clients and patients.